Part 1. Check the package and unpack for accessories. The package includes machine, Lightbox 1, Lightbox 2. Unpack the packaging and take out the accessories. The list is shown in the video. Remove the keys from the back of the machine. Open the front machine door and take out the accessory box. The list is shown in the video. Open the side door and take out the accessory box. The list is as follows. Part 2. Assembly the light box and decorative panels. Take out the rectangle light box, pink IP decoration panel, and blue hand-shaped decoration panel. Remove the brackets from the back of the light box. Install pink IP decoration panel in front of the light box. Remove the screws from the front side of the light box. Install the blue hand decoration panel in front of the light box. The installation of the other one is the same. Take out the side decoration panels, the L-shaped bracket and triangle bracket. Unscrew the screws. Install the decoration panels on the triangle bracket. The installation of the other one is the same. Part 3. Install the light box on the machine. Install the side light boxes. The installation of the other one is the same. Connect the wires on both sides of the machine to the two light boxes, a total of 4. Install the sword-shaped light box and connect the wires. Install the side decoration panels. Firstly, unplug the machine's wires. Then pass them through the bracket. Push the bracket until the screws are engaged. Tighten the screws. And reconnect the wires. Firstly, remove the wire cover on the left side of the machine. Unplug the wires. Then install the left decorative panel to the top of the machine. Pass the wires through the middle of the bracket. Push the decorative bracket until it is screwed on. Tighten the screws. Then connect the wires back. And put the wire cover back on. Part 4. Add balls and test the machine. Connect the power cord and turn on the machine. Firstly, put the colored balls on the push plate. Push the balls down and slowly as the video shown. When all the colored balls fall into the big ball in the middle, Press the ball out button to proceed to the next step. Pour 3 packs of transparent small balls into each P position. Once completed, press the ball release button and wait for the large and small balls to self-adjust. Assembly is complete, and the machine is ready for operation.